Yes, for Amano. Yes, for Amano. Yes, Odinma Anaedo 2022 Induction and Cultural Night is going to be culturally wicked. It's going to be bombastic. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be cocastic. In fact, it's going to be manyangboristic. Now, the same people will bring on the biggest masquerade to ever come from the diaspora, where they call it jelly. Yes, and then bring on that masquerade, where they call it jelly. This time around, a different masquerade where they come, oh, this masquerade go there bad. This masquerade go be a lot. In fact, this party go be a lot of fun. If you miss this party, you know what, miss some more. December 10, 2022, Saturday, yes, starting at 8 p.m., 155 Passaic Street in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Yes, so Odinma Anaedo don't ever disappoint. You know, no, as they do now. Imranashi, anye facia, anya wega, anye bega, anyega, yakega, imrana hemrenga. For amano, yes.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Fuka.